Welcome to our explainer on the awesome Erasmus Plus project, STEAM and Sports, a goal for education equity.
So, we're asking a really compelling question today. How do physics and chemistry actually improve gym class?
At Jan Amos Komenski School, they tested this idea over a quick 5-week sprint late last year.
A total of 120 students jumped right in to test out these brand new teaching materials.
To get really accurate feedback, 109 of those students formed a dedicated test group for the pilot. And 10 amazing teachers stepped totally outside their normal subjects to drive this multidisciplinary effort. Subjects completely merged. They linked physical education with biology, chemistry, art, math, and even languages. Let's dive into 4 highly innovative lessons they tested straight from the new STEAM teaching guide. First up, 6th graders tackled Lesson 5, exploring the complex mechanics of the human body in action. Instead of just reading, kids did hands-on activities to see how our body systems literally power movement. Meanwhile, 4th graders explored the creative side of physical education with a lesson called The Art of Movement. Get this, they actually combined chemistry, specifically states of matter, with the art of dance. Students physically acted out solid, liquid, and gas phases through their own artistic expression. So cool, right? Stepping up the complexity, 9th graders took on Lesson 9, linking math, tech, and gym class. They actually built surveys, crunched the data, and designed physical activities to boost their overall health. Finally, Lesson 11, called Under Pressure, guided those same 9th graders through an awesome physics exploration. They connected tricky physics concepts like mechanical energy and air pressure directly to real-world sports. All these experiments generated some seriously crucial feedback and questionnaire data directly from the students. This data is an absolute goldmine. It'll completely drive how we improve these STEAM teaching materials going forward. Education equity is a huge goal. So after seeing this, how will you bring STEAM into motion?